Hello everyone, this is the second part of chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? This is the second chapter of Science of class 9th. And in this video, we are going to learn about elements. What are elements? Let's try to understand. An element is a substance which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by the usual chemical methods of applying heat, light or electric energy. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. are elements because it cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical methods. On the other hand, H2O, which is water, H2O is water, and water is not an element. Water is not an element. Water is a compound. Because water is a compound, that's why water can be split up into two simpler substances, and these simpler substances are hydrogen and oxygen. Water H2O can be split up into hydrogen and oxygen on applying electricity. Why an element cannot be split up? An element cannot be split up because it is made of only one kind of atoms. An element cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances because it is made of only one kind of atoms. Thus, we can say that an element is a substance which is made of only one kind of atoms. This is another simple definition of an element. But the perfect definition of an element is a substance which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by usual chemical methods of applying heat, light or electric energy. This is the definition of an element. There are 118 elements known at present. At present, we know only 118 elements. There will be possibility that more elements can be exist in the universe, but by scientists, only 118 elements have been known so far, out of which 94 elements occur in nature, while 24 elements have been prepared artificially. So we can say that 24 elements are artificial elements or they are synthetic elements. Remember, every substance in this universe or every substance in this world is made up of one or more than one elements. Elements can be solids, liquids or gases. Elements can be solids, liquids or gases. Most of the elements are solids. 11 elements are gases, whereas only 2 elements, these are mercury and bromine. Mercury is called Hg. The symbol of mercury is Hg and the symbol of bromine is Br. So mercury and bromine, these are only 2 elements that are liquids at the room temperature. Elements that are gases, 11 elements that are gases, and these elements are hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are the elements which are gases. So this is a very small video in which I have talked about only elements. In next part, we will talk about the parts of elements and we will understand the elements completely in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks again. Thanks a lot for watching this video.